Can eating brown rice help to lose weight? Or eating carbs will make you fat? Let's find out. Diet experts have many suggestions on the right foods to help you lose weight. One is the brown rice. It has other health benefits beyond helping weight loss. While most people avoid rice in their diet due to the large amount of calories it contains, many people also discover that they can still eat brown rice. Here's 5 benefits of brown rice you need to know, and how it can help you lose weight. 1. Slow release of sugar. One health advantage is that it helps regulate blood sugar levels by gradual sugar release. It would definitely benefit diabetics on a diet. Research showed that eating half a cup daily reduces your risk of diabetes by 60%. Brown rice releases sugar slowly, allowing your body to process it regularly. 2. Low in density. This means it can make you full while consuming less calories. The water and fiber components low energy density. It will help you lose weight as you eat less as it fills you up fast. It is recommended to start your meals with brown rice. It will make you feel less hungry, making you eat less food on the table. There was a study among women on high-density and low-density diets. Those who consumed higher-density food gained weight 3 times more than those who ate lower-density food over a 6-year period. 3. High in selenium. Selenium is a mineral that enhances the immune system by reducing disease risk. Brown rice is rich in selenium, giving you good protection from common sickness. This is crucial, especially if you're trying to lose weight, as your body adjusts to new diet regimens and can make you weak during your diet's early stages. 4. Good for weight loss. Brown rice is full of vitamins, iron, potassium, manganese, and other nutrients. It is filling but not fattening. 1 cup of rice contains only 1.8 grams of fat, which is roughly 3% of the USDA's daily value of 65 grams. It can be combined with different edibles or eaten alone since it has a unique flavor. The benefits cover not only your diet needs but also your overall health requirements. 5. Gluten-free. Gluten is a protein present in wheat, barley and rye. Some people are allergic to gluten and experience reactions. Naturally, brown rice is free of this protein, making it a safe choice for those who cannot consume gluten. It's also filled with nutrients that your body requires to work properly. It can be made into other safe, gluten-free items like crackers and pasta. Brown rice is a highly nutritious, gluten-free grain with incredible quantities of vitamins, minerals, and beneficial compounds. Eating whole grains, such as brown rice, may help avoid or improve different health conditions. Swapping refined grains like brown rice can help you lose weight. Do you agree with our list? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think. If you'd like help putting these cool ideas to work in your fitness journey, get in touch via the link below. We'd love to help you.